Okay, I haven't recorded anything for a while, so today I'm going to do one unboxing, which is something I just received. Actually, it's the Sennheiser HD 560S, and yeah, well, let's open it. Maybe I move a bit the keyboard. So I did not open it. I bought it at Saturn remotely, of course, and up. Okay, so let's open. This time at least I had a cutter next to Simon's cat. Okay, if I open, maybe I should remove the keyboard, which would be much better for me. Sorry about that. So, simple box, the headphones, some documentation, very light. I didn't check the box actually. I received it this morning, and well, there's not much on it, on this box. Okay, so what do we have? Some information, some technical data here. Front, up, back, different languages. Yeah, there's not much. Okay, so the documentation and the headphones. Okay, as usual I do a real unboxing, so I did not open the box before, and so I think it's the first video I make this year. Well, I will receive a couple of gears, a couple of cans in the coming days. So, yeah. So, yeah, it seems to be well made. So, 6.3 to 3.5, or also called TRS, this one. And yeah, tiny scratch, which Velcro I think it's called. So 6.3 millimeters. A good length for the cable. Yeah. Made of plastic, but good quality, I have to say. Left, right. Can we remove? I don't even know if we can remove. Didn't check that before. Probably it's glue. Yeah, glued. Okay, so we have only one cable, same as the Bayer Dynamic. And I think this one is around 200 euros, maybe a little bit more. I don't remember. So I bought it to upgrade the headphones my wife is currently using. I read so many nice things about these headphones that I decided to buy it without really paying attention. So it's well made, it seems comfortable. Oh, I can try it. I currently have this one, but maybe I can try it. So left, right, up. Let's adjust it a bit. Ah, yes, it's the beginning, so there's some kind of the compelling force is, you know, it's a new equipment, so okay, it's much better. So open back, well made. Well, it's a Sennheiser after all, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's Simple. So by default it's 6.3 and you need the adapter to go. It's funny, usually it's the opposite. You have 3.5. I mean, if I unplug mine, so this is the DT 1990 Pro, so you have 3.5 and you have this adapter, and here you have a pretty large thing. Yeah, two different concepts. So the DT 1990 Pro is the one I usually connect and use on the RME ADI2 DAC. Here, I'm not sure you can see it. So this is the one I usually use. Very neutral, same as the Bear Dynamic. Well, has some kind of signature anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching.